Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at the Comfort Suites here in Glen Allen, Virginia, which is a town north of Richmond. And we have some ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. We have this car to ride first. Take up to 5. You're on 5. Take back down to 1. Door close does not work. It's kind of our basic elevator for a hotel, nothing really too exciting. Use your buttons, VR buttons. I think use your Aurora VR, but I'm not sure. Put your phone down there. Floor indicator capacity is 2,500. This is elevator number 1. Certificate right there, and you're a 1. I think these elevators were installed in 2007, but I'm not sure. We'll send this car up to 5, we'll get the yard of 1. There goes that elevator. And now we'll ride the left car. This one's a little darker than the yard of 1. Take out the 5. You're on 5. Back down to 1. Like I said, door close does not work. It's just like the R1, very basic elevator for a hotel. Here's your floor indicator. Capacity is 2,500 pounds as well. This is elevator number 2. These are your buttons. I think these are Aurora VR buttons, but I'm not sure. Sticker right there. Elevator, I believe, was installed in 2007. And you're back at 1. Alright. You keep your car going. And there go the elevators, and that will be it.